favorite store ni Kuya Arkin. Mga cheap yung tinda dito. Kaya let's go. Arkin, tignan mo. Punta siya agad sa toy section. Daddy! Stella, what do you want? Yan. How much yan? $5. Pinakamahal dito is $5. Price na siya. Why? You happy? What's that? No hands? What's that, Stella? Is he a dog? The dog, oh. So, kumuha tayo ng Ramiki. $3.25 lang. Complete. Kuha na rin tayo. $2 each. Pwede na yan. And then, kuha tayo ng pang placement. Ito na lang. Kasi dudula siya sa glass. Ito daw, sabi ni Daddy. Or gray. Ano ba to? Ay, ang laki.
Mommy, I think the black is
The
good.
black? Oh, this one.
Oh, okay.
$1.75. Kunin natin.
Put it in this one.
Let's find car freshener. Hindi yan. Dog food yan. Wow, Christmas na. So, may mga pang-decorate din dito, guys. Yan. Tingin tayo ng hair clips ni Stella. And pang ponytail. Ito lang yung color. Green. Ito na lang kaya. This one. Or kailangan natin ponytail. Kasi kapag clip, hindi siya kakapit. Manipis pa yung hair niya. Siguro ito na lang muna. Let's try this one. Stella, oh, for your hair. You like that, Stella? You like that? Why not eat? Baby socks. Alin dyan? Or ito?
6 to 12 months lang yan.
6 to 12. Oo, ano. May masayang bata ako. What's that? What's that?
Wow.
Meron dito. Boosh, 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 boosh. So, this one, ito yung kunin natin. $4. So, 6 pairs na.
Yan, sakto lang. Oh.
Sakto lang.
Oo, pang ano, pang kotse-kotse lang.
Kunin natin. $3. Si Kuya Arkin din.
Ito,
Bilan natin ng socks. Umuuwi siyang butas na yung socks niya.
Because that's the last one.
Last
The
one.
last one? Okay, we will get
I
that.
guess you're lucky.
Yeah, we'll get that.
This one.
Yes.
8 to 10. $2.50. Okay, let's get this. How much is that, Kuya?
It's $5. It has a wings, it has a helmet, and it has a launcher.
Good find. Oh, $37 kami for that. Yeah. Okay, that's all for today. Bye-bye. Bye, Kuya. And we're home.
Daddy ng ano, nakita ko
Say bye to the vlog, Kuya.
Thanks for watching. Bye!